ACCA Question Terminology. With question terminology, understanding what is expected of you is essential in order to get those all-important marks. Here I will run through what ACCA expects of you with the various ACCA question verbs. Question terminology likely to be used in fundamental papers. Define. Explain the exact meaning. Short definitions should be used here in your answer. List. List several ideas, qualities, reasons, and so forth. No discussion is required here. A rule of thumb is one list item per point on offer, so if the question gives you 7 marks, list 7 points. Apply. This means put into action. Apply to the scenario or case. Question terminology likely to be used in fundamental and professional papers. Analyze. Break into separate parts and discuss or interpret each part. Give reasons for the current situation or what has happened. Calculate. Computations are required here. Remember to provide descriptions along with numerical calculations. Compare. Examine 2 or more things. Identify and clearly explain similarities and differences. Conclusion. End your answer with a clear decision, result, or outcome. Describe. Give a detailed account. Form a picture with your words. Explain. Make an idea clear. Show logically how a concept is developed. Give reasons for an event. Provide more than just a list of points. Add explanations to each point made. Illustrate. Give examples. Explain clear comparisons. Add descriptions. Outline. Briefly describe the main ideas, characters, or events of the highlighted points. Relate. Show connections between ideas or events. State. Explain precisely. Focus on the exact point in the question. Summarize. Give a brief condensed account, including a conclusion. Avoid unnecessary detail here. Question terminology likely to be used for professional papers. Assess. Determine the importance. Evaluate or estimate the strengths, weaknesses, and significance of a given scenario. Comment. Express an opinion using explanations, illustrations, and/or criticisms. Criticize. Don't explain the situation here, analyze it. Present the weaknesses, problems, provide comparisons. Evaluate. Determine the scenario in the light of the arguments for and against. Mention evidence and case or scenario points to support your evaluation. Interpret. Comment on, give examples, and describe relationships. Interpret means to explain and evaluate. Recommend. Advise on appropriate actions which should be taken by a client. Terminology used here should be understandable to the client. Remember to say yes to more tests. Research shows that the mere act of calling information to mind strengthens that knowledge and aids in future retrieval. Get testing and strengthen that mind through the use of past papers.